Hello everyone, it's Karli from cookingwithkarli.com. I'm here from my car today. Crumbl is like right behind me. But we have another Crumbl taste test video. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, you will get to know what new recipe video will be published tomorrow on YouTube. The recipe will be shared on my website, Instagram, all of those things. So let's talk about these cookies today. You're not gonna be able to see these. I'm going to just lift them up for you. So first we've got pumpkin chocolate chip. Let me break this in half for you. It's very soft. My card just pulled up. This is fun. Very soft. Feels like cakey texture, which I don't know if that's like a bonus in your book or not. We have the chocolate peanut butter chip, which is a chocolate cookie with like the Reese's peanut butter chips in there. Very peanut buttery. I actually have a copycat recipe of this on my website already, and I'll link it for you below wherever it's linkable. That's where I'll link it for you so you can give that a whirl because they are delicious. This is the Sherbet Cookie, which is like a lime and orange sugar cookie, lime and orange frosting. It is chilled, nice and cold. I'm gonna try and break this without like getting crumbs all over my car. So that's what we're looking like here. It's definitely orange and green, which is like kind of strange color choices, but it is what it is. And then we have blueberry cream cheese. I mean, not blueberry cream cheese, blueberry cheesecake. So it's graham cracker cookie cheesecake frosting with blueberry pie filling on top. And I'm not gonna break this one in half because I feel like it would be actually I'm gonna have to. I'm just gonna have to. Because I'm gonna have to taste it. Nice and thick. Graham cracker cookie. I definitely just dropped some of that. Okay, we're trying this one first. It's just like all of their other cheesecake cookies. The graham cracker crust is the same. Cheesecake frosting is the same. The only difference is it's blueberry pie filling on top. So I mean, technically if you wanted to make this at home, just use my salted caramel or raspberry cheesecake cookie recipe and use like canned blueberry filling on top. Okay, the pumpkin. I like chocolate chips, and these are semi-sweet chocolate chips. So, very soft. Pillowy, I would say. It's definitely not like chewy like their other cookies are. It's definitely a different texture. Not super sweet. The pumpkin cookie from, what was it, last week? The caramel one, 2 weeks ago? That was very spicy. Like it had tons of spices on it. This one does not, just like some cinnamon is what I can taste. No allspice, no nutmeg, no nothing like that. Okay. Chocolate peanut butter. I want to get one with peanut butter. Here we go. I love chocolate and peanut butter together. So I know I'll like this one. Nice crispy outside, soft and chewy. Fudgy on the inside. Chocolate and peanut butter is just like the best combination to me. So that one's my favorite so far. And now for the orange lime one. Get the chocolate out of my mouth, right? Definitely smell the lime. It smells like sherbet. Oh wow, that's really interesting. That is not bad at all. It legit tastes like you're eating sherbet ice cream. I'm not getting a lot of the orange. It's just very like citrusy. I definitely get the lime. Try to taste some of just the frosting. So the frosting is definitely like lime and orange. I don't know if the cookie is a ton or if it's just like the frosting. No, that's a sugar cookie. I would say that that's pretty much just a sugar cookie. I don't get much lime or orange there. Yeah, I think that's good. Like, I'm pleasantly surprised with that one. I'll definitely be finishing that one off. Okay, so there's our taste test for today. Comment below which one you want me to recreate. And again, I already have that chocolate peanut butter chip one, which is fantastic. And tomorrow, drumroll, we are getting the waffle cookie. So last week, everybody and their dog wanted the waffle cookie. I made the waffle cookie for you. The video is being published tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Eastern. So keep your eyes peeled for that. And we'll be back next week with another taste test. See ya.